Once you have your model completed, you may like to change colors with it. That is in Modify Appearance. And you can select the colors from the library here. There are some already there and others are available for download off the internet. Plastic, green, red, etc. Escape, escape. Now you can do lettering, but you need to do a sketch. So let's just see which plane we want to use. We'll need to offset the plane. So we go Construct, Offset Plane. We want to grab this plane and we want to place it up there. Okay. We need to turn the construction planes on so we can see. Rotating it around. Sketch. Select that plane. Now we go to our sketch and text. And the position is there. We want to do a capital A for X. And we want to press the bold. We want to have some sort of olden day French script. We might want to make that up to 12 or 15. And we need to position it. Looks good. Maybe just slightly bigger. Oh, geez. 57, 17. Okay. Stop sketch. Our sketches are not visible, so let's make our sketches visible, and then we can turn up our origin, create, and we want to put that into the axe. Now, how much is that going in by? Way too much. I've just used orbit, so I've got to exit orbit, and that's probably okay. Okay, let's orbit back around. There's our A and our X. You can actually go to display settings and turn on shaded with visible edges only. You get a better view of it. But you might like to put any particular letter on your X. And then you can make a drawing from design. You've got to save it as X. And full assembly, we want everything there, yes. We want it on A4. Once it's all finished, you'll be able to output PDF. It's saved as PDF. And there's our X. So let's just have a look here. At the right. Visible edges. Top, maybe that's better. That looks good. 1-to-1, that's good. That's excellent. Okay. And drawing views, we can click on this. That's better, projected view. And down here. Down there, enter. We might move this view. Oops, grab that little thing, move it over there. And you can put some dimensions on it. Repeat dimension, that's better. OK, etc. And you can save that and output it as a PDF.